Since 1982, Coca-Cola has dominated the beverage industry. The company is one of the most recognized businesses in the world, and many investors such as Warren Buffett are avid fans of the brand. With this, you must wonder, should you own Coca-Cola in 2022?
I like to teach the world to sing. Sing with me. Perfect harmony. Perfect harmony. I like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company. That's the real thing. I like to teach the world to sing. In perfect harmony. Perfectly. And I'd like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company. It's the real thing.
Hey, welcome to Stock Market Mate. In today's video, we'll talk about why, in 2022, Coca-Cola should be in your long-term dividend stock portfolio. But before we get into it, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. If you're done with that, then let's get right into it. What makes Coca-Cola a global success? Before we dig in, a little bit about Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola Company is a multinational beverage corporation with a market share in over 200 countries. The famous sugary drink was introduced for the first time in a glass bottle in 1886 by pharmacist John Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. At over a century old, Coke remains an industry leader in product sales, marketing, and brand strategy. From its product packaging design to the content they continually produce, Coca-Cola as a company and brand constantly strives to put its creative foot forward. In Coca-Cola's content marketing strategies, the brand aims to surprise and inspire the masses, turning viewers into fans to devoted consumers. One of the most successful ways in which Coca-Cola has marketed itself is that it puts the focus of the brand rather than its product. Coke is described as something that brings family and friends together, encourages sharing, and brings happiness rather than just a soda. Instead of going for a complicated marketing plan that focuses on products, Coca-Cola sells the lifestyle, the emotion, and the association of the brand that people can relate to. This ensures that the brand is universal and understood across all cultures and languages. What better concept to translate than the concept of happiness? Why Warren Buffett loves Coca-Cola. With over 3 dozen stocks in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, there's one company that Warren Buffett clearly has an ongoing love affair with. He's owned it for over 30 years and says he will never sell it. And you guessed what it is, it's Coca-Cola. Buffett certainly knows a thing or two about making himself and his investors rich. Since 1965, Berkshire Hathaway has generated average annual returns of 20%, or almost double what the S&P 500 has achieved in the same time. The key to his success has been his ability to identify a business's key competitive advantages that can be replicated for years to come. Buy the stock and then hold on to it for years. In 1998, he shared his thoughts about Coca-Cola with Florida University. In the present year, we still think that everything he said then still rings true today, and will for the future to come.
Coca-Cola went public in, I think it was 1919. Stock sold for $40 a share. It went back before that, it was the Candler family, and they went back, they bought it for $2,000, the whole business. Asa Candler back in the late 1880s in a couple of purchases. So now he goes public in 1919, $40 a share. 1 year later, it's selling for $19, gone down 50% in 1 year. Now you might think that's some kind of disaster, and you might think that sugar prices increased and the bottlers were rebellious and a whole bunch of things. You could always find a few reasons why that wasn't the ideal moment to buy it. Years later, you'd have seen the Great Depression, and you'd have seen World War II, and you'd seen sugar rationing, and you'd seen thermonuclear weapons, and the whole thing. There's always a reason. But in the end, if you'd bought one share for $40 and reinvested the dividends, it'd be worth about $5 million now. And that factor so overrides anything else. I mean, if you're right about the business, you'll make a lot of money. And the timing part of it is a very tricky thing. So I don't worry about any given event if I've got a wonderful business, whether what it does to next year or something of the sort. I don't buy Coke with the idea that it's going to be out of gas in 10 years, or 15 years. There could be something happen, but I would think that the chances of that are almost nil. So what we really want to do is buy businesses that we would be happy to own forever. If people are drinking Coke today, they drink 5 of them today, they'll probably drink 5 tomorrow. Think of Disney. Disney is selling, we'll say, home videos for, $16.95, $18.95, or whatever. All over the world, people, and we'll say particularly mothers in this case, have something in their mind about Disney. I mean, every person in this room, when you say Disney, has something in their mind about it. If I say Universal Pictures, you don't have anything in your mind. You know, if I say 20th Century Fox, you don't have anything special in your mind. If I say Disney, you've got something in your mind. And that's true around the world. Now, picture yourself with a couple of young kids, you know, who you want to put away for a couple of hours every day so you get a little peace of mind. And you know if you get them one video, they'll watch it 20 times. So you go to the video store or wherever you buy the video. Are you going to sit there and premiere, you know, 10 different videos and watch them each for an hour and a half to decide which one your kid should watch? No. I mean, let's say there's one there for $16.95 and the Disney's there for $17.95. You know if you take the Disney video, you're going to be okay. So you buy it. And you don't have to make a quality decision on something that you don't want to spend the time to do. And so you can get a little bit more money if you're Disney, and you'll sell a lot more videos. Makes it a wonderful business. Makes it very tough for the other guy. How would you try to create a brand? DreamWorks is trying, but how would you try to create a brand that competes with Disney around the world and to replace the concept that people have in their minds about Disney with something that says Universal Pictures? You know, so that the mother's going to walk in and pick out a Universal Pictures video in preference to a Disney. It's not going to happen. You know, Coca-Cola is associated with people being happy around the world. We're every place they're happy. We're at Disney World or Disneyland. We're at the World Cup. We'll be at the Olympics. We're every place where people are happy. Happiness and Coke go together. Now, you give me, I don't care how much money, and tell me that I'm going to do that with RC Cola around the world and have 5 billion people that have a favorable image in their mind about RC Cola. It can't get done. You know, and you can fool around with you can do anything you want to do. You know, have price discounts on weekends and everything, but you're not going to touch it. And that's what you want to have in a business. That's the moat. And you want that moat to widen.
Evaluating Coca-Cola today. Coca-Cola has traded on the exchanges for more than 100 years, and the dividend king has increased its payout for 60 years. Long a global company, it has steadily acquired other beverage brands to expand its base. Today, over 200 brands and several thousand beverages fall under the Coca-Cola umbrella. Still, the world economy remains sluggish, indicating that sales growth could slow. Moreover, approximately 65% of its revenue comes from outside North America. Amid the strong dollar, consumer purchasing power has fallen abroad, a factor that could hurt sales. Nonetheless, sales levels have at least experienced a reprieve. In the first half of 2022, Coca-Cola reported almost $22 billion in revenue, rising 14% compared with the same time frame in 2021. Unfortunately for the company, the cost of goods sold surged 22% during the same period. This led to $4.7 billion in income for the first half of 2022, 4% less than the year-ago period. Analysts still project 7% earnings growth this year and 5% in 2023, but investors have sold off the stock recently and it has significantly underperformed the S&P 500. Coca-Cola stock has become a dividend juggernaut for Warren Buffett, and admittedly, that slow, steady growth should continue to benefit both new and long-time investors. Well, that's about everything. Hopefully this video will help you in your journey toward investing in 2022. If you found this video helpful, kindly click the like and subscribe button. Also, you might want to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to watch one of these two videos right here. Enjoy!